Hi guys, how are you doing today?
Can I get the Pineapple Express?
Pineapple Express?
Yes.
So I was recording everybody else. Is fine for if I record you guys?
Yes.
Thank you so much. You said what you like. Crema, get the money?
Yes, sir.
What kind of meat would you like, Ono? I'm sorry?
Chicken.
Chicken. Grilled chicken's fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna make it how it comes. If you want to change anything, just let me know, okay?
Easier for you.
A lot of people like to change, so we ask just in case if they don't know, they can. Anything else, brother, you want to add on?
No.
That's it. One grilled chicken burrito. All together.